How's it going, guys? Coach Paul here, Chalk Talk Friday. Just want to touch upon agility work real quick. People bring up the topic of speed ladders. I call them ladders. I take out the word speed because technically you're not going to get any speed out of doing ladder work and drills. So the true meaning of agility is when you're incorporating change of direction drills and getting that footwork right. Not necessarily just quick footwork, but agility work in general, which using the ladder in progression with the right programming to build up to certain key points on the field or the court in movement. So that's how we program it, and how I tend to progress through when working with ladders. At the end of the day, to become speed, right? The word speed. In order to get faster on the field, court, whatever track, being more explosive in jumping within volleyball, basketball, whatever the case may be, the proper strength training program is the meat of it. Everything else is supplementary, which is, I'm not saying not to do it, but that's supplementary to the proper strength training program. Along with, we do incorporate our sand trainings, our hill trainings, and because we have a full Olympic-sized pool, we also add explosive water training. But also, again, it takes proper programming to make sure the progression is key, and you're translating it to how athletes will actually use this explosiveness or speed on the field of the court. So, people who do sand training always, it's not a great thing, especially if the proper programming isn't there. You don't want to just do a bunch of fancy drills that looks cool on video. You want to make sure that you're keeping your athletes safe. And I say this wholeheartedly because I was one of those athletes in college, which we didn't have the proper training. And I would go down to the beach and run on the sand. And eventually it just led to me pulling my hamstring because I didn't know how to properly program or do the right drills, to help me out. And that injury did stick with me for a while. So the key point of any programming that we do here at Phase 1 is preventing injury first and then building athletes second. So with that said, guys, any questions, give us a call at 808-404-1007, www.p1hawaii.com. Let's get started, guys. Come check out our facility, do a tour. Let's do a quick assessment for free. Aloha.